Right, I'm at the Marrickville Town Hall, the corner of Marrickville Road and Petersham Road in Marrickville, and this is the location of the War Memorial, and it features an impressive sculpture of Nike, the goddess of victory, and it also lists the men who died, names of men who died in the First World War. There's over 450 men died just from Marrickville alone, which gives you a sense of the massive impact of the war. The sculpture that they've got there now is not the original one. The original one had Nike, winged victory, holding the sword upward in a triumphal manner. Anyway, they had various structural issues with it, and it was replaced in 2015 with Nike holding the sword pointing downward.